A stiff-bristled push broom or a wire brush is best for thoroughly cleaning a pothole before repair to ensure the patch adheres properly. Choose a broom or brush that matches the scale and contamination level of the pothole. For general roadside potholes, a stiff-bristled push broom with polypropylene or Tampico bristles removes loose aggregate, dust, and soil efficiently when swept in overlapping passes from multiple angles. For hard-packed clay or compacted fines, use a wire brush or wire wheel broom to dislodge material trapped between stones without damaging the surrounding pavement. If the pothole is greasy or contains fine dust, use a wet-dry vacuum after mechanical sweeping to pick up residual particles. Hold the nozzle close to crevices and work from the deepest point outward. When sweeping, start at the perimeter and work toward the center so debris does not fall back into cleaned edges. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask when sweeping and vacuuming to protect against flying particles and inhalation. Common mistakes include using a soft household broom that just moves debris around and leaves fines behind, which reduces adhesion. Fix this by switching to a stiff-bristled push broom or a wire brush and make multiple passes. Another issue is neglecting to remove embedded dust and grit after brushing, which can prevent the patch from bonding. Remedy that by following sweeping with a wet-dry vacuum or by blowing with a compressor and then rechecking with the brush. A third problem is damaging the pavement edge with an aggressive tool and creating a larger repair area. Avoid this by using controlled, angled strokes, selecting the correct stiffness of bristles for the pavement type, and testing on a small section first. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community for practical trade tips and project feedback. We help contractors find work by letting them participate in conversations, showcase experience, and respond directly to homeowners seeking services.